Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate YouTube channel branding assets in YouTube Studio. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To authenticate your YouTube channel branding assets, start by logging into your YouTube account. Next, navigate to YouTube Studio by clicking on your profile icon in the top right corner. In the left sidebar, select Customization. Once in the Customization menu, click on the Branding tab. Here, you'll find options to upload your profile picture, banner image, and video watermark. Ensure your images meet YouTube's size and format requirements to avoid any issues. To upload your profile picture, click on the Upload button under the Profile Picture section. Select the image file from your device, then click Open to upload it. For your banner image, repeat this process under the Banner section. After uploading, review how your branding elements appear on different devices using the preview options. Once satisfied, scroll down and click Publish in the top right corner to save your changes. Now, to authenticate these assets, navigate to the Settings option in the left sidebar. In the Settings menu, select Channel and then go to the Advanced Settings tab. Look for the Branding section and click on Authenticate. Follow the on-screen prompts to verify your ownership of the branding assets. This may involve confirming your email address or using other verification methods. Once authentication is complete, your channel branding assets will be officially recognized. To finalize the process, return to the Branding tab in the Customization menu. Recheck your uploads and previews to ensure everything is displayed correctly. Finally, remember to review your channel regularly to keep your branding fresh and aligned with your content. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.